ร้อนแรงเรียบเรียงร้อนมากร้อนมายร้อนมอดร้อนไหม้มาตั้งแต่โบราณsaliva let me สวัสดีค่ะทุกคนครูบิวนะคะ and welcome back to my channel. It has been a while since my last video. If you are Thai language learner, you might found this topic very interesting. How to trill Thai R sound. So the Thai R are completely different from English language. So if you are an English speaker or a Chinese speaker, this might be very difficult for you. Today I prepare an interesting exercise so you can practice together how to trill your Thai R. So in this video I will demonstrate how to trill your Thai R or รอเรือรอเรือ The first question would be, do Thai people actually articulate R in their real life? The answer is, in real life situation, you will barely hear Thai people pronounce the R in a very defined R sound, รอเรือ like this. Except there are people on TV, news reporter, accurately articulate the R sound. But if you talk with your Thai friends, you cannot distinguish between the L and the R. So instead of pronouncing รอเรือ you will hear รอเรือรอเรือ like this. If you are new to the Thai language and want to know how and what Thai R sound like, let me give you some example. เรียนเรียนทุเรียนทุเรียนเรือเรือเร็วเร็ว But what if we have the R all together with another consonant? For example, เปรี้ยวเปรี้ยว So this one, the P sound come together with the R, P and R. เปรี้ยวเปรี้ยวเปรี้ยว Next one, กรีดกรีดกรีดครอบครัวครอบครัวครอบครัว Then how to practice trilling your R's or articulate รอเรือ I come up with 3 exercises that work. The first one is practicing clicking R sounds. So what you're going to do is to click your tongue like this. This basic clicking R sound, you can do it in the daily basis, like when you wake up and then you want to warm up, you want to make today is your Thai language day. I want to begin my day with practice articulate the R. Then you start clicking, make the clicking sound. It will be easier if you listen to the music and then you trying to make this into the rhyme of music. This will be easier and more engaging for you to practice your clicking R sound. Next technique is to practice extending R sound. Try to make it as long as possible. Extend the R sound. For example, you want to pick up some vocabulary and then you want to extend it. Make it as long as possible. This word is the sound of the bird. Try to make it as long as you can. Next technique, I found that actually for non-native Thai speaker, it is difficult to pronounce the R sound alone. So it is easier for you to combine with another consonant. For example, the Blackpink music. Then let's practice. So it's the t sound in the front come along with the r at the back. Turut, turut, turut. Then you make it faster. Turut, 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 turut. Now you make it longer. Tru, 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 tru. Alright. Now let's try. Trut, trut, trut. Trut, trut, trut. This is another technique that I come up and it might help you to pronounce better. Lastly, try to pronounce with Thai vocabulary every day. You can combine the two syllables. First syllable, รอเรือ The next syllable also รอเรือ โรงเรียน 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 รุ่งเรือง 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 ร่ำรวย 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 เร่งรัด 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 Right? You might find it is quite difficult at first, but practice every day. Practice make perfect. Next combination would be the รอเรือ together with the ลอลิง So this one will be the R and the L. So let's try. Can you distinguish these two different? รู้แล้ว 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 รุ่นหลัง 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 โรยเกลือ 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 รูปหล่อ 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 Alright, do not forget to trill the first L sound. Last combination would be first ลอลิง next รอเรือ หลากรถ 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 หลายเรื่อง 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 หลงรัก 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 ลูกรัก 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 Alright guys, I hope some of these techniques are really helpful, and if it's work or not, you can share with me in the comment section below. Alright, before we end this lesson, I still want to leave you a homework, and this is called a Thai prompter challenge that you might have seen on TikTok or on YouTube shorts before. Like people do a prompter challenge, reading the script in maybe English language or Chinese language. I think it's quite interesting that you can read the Thai script. This one you will read the short documentary about Thai weather, and then you can practice articulate the R sound. Alright, let me show you what it look like. Can you pass this Thai prompter test? Let's get started. And actually this video have the original version. I will put the link down below. You can go ahead and watch her channel. It's called Katie and George. And I found that her Thai pronunciation is really good. And make your own one. Try Thai prompter challenge. I would love to see your short video. Alright guys, if you love my teaching, please go ahead and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. ขอบคุณค่ะ